Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the rich history of Mithila, Bihar, a region steeped in culture, mythology, and profound influence. From the marriage of Mata Parvati to Lord Shiva to the legendary union of Sita and Ram, Mithila's stories have shaped not just Indian culture, but have resonated across the world. So let's embark on this fascinating journey. Our story begins with the divine marriage of Mata Parvati and Lord Shiva. According to Hindu mythology, Parvati, the daughter of the mountain king Himavan, performed severe penance to win Shiva's heart. Their union symbolizes the balance of power and devotion, setting a spiritual tone for the region. This sacred marriage is celebrated in various festivals across India, especially in Mithila, where devotees honor their bond through rituals and festivities. Next, we move to the legendary tale of Sita, the daughter of King Janak of Mithila. Her marriage to Lord Ram is not just a romantic story, it represents ideals of love, duty, and righteousness. Sita's character has inspired countless works of art and literature. The Ramayana, which narrates her life and trials, is revered not only in India, but also in countries like Nepal and Indonesia. Mithila is renowned for its unique art form, Mithila painting, which depicts mythological themes and everyday life. This art has gained international acclaim, showcasing the region's rich cultural heritage.
Mithila art is a way for us to express our stories and traditions. It connects us to our roots while allowing us to share our culture with the world.
Today, Mithila continues to thrive as a center for education and culture. It is home to many universities and institutions that promote learning while preserving its rich heritage. The influence of Mithila extends beyond India. Its traditions have inspired global movements in art, literature, and social activism. As we reflect on the history of Mithila, from its mythical beginnings with Mata Parvati and Lord Shiva to the enduring legacy of Sita, it's clear that this region holds a significant place in both Indian culture and global history. Thank you for joining us on this journey through time. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more content exploring fascinating histories from around the world. Until next time.